People with dedication and imagination have transformed hunks of steel and machinery into modern wonders. These giant machines are not just tools for humanity, they represent the boundless creativity in our world. Miracles continually happen, and every step forward is a story of human strength and ingenuity. Are you curious about these magical machines? With a maximum lifting capacity of 140 tons and a remarkable boom length of 63.5 meters, making the Senbogen 6140E HD one of the most formidable machines. This immense power and torque enables it to excel in tasks that involve excavating large volumes of material from deep waters or challenging to reach locations. Durability is a hallmark of this machine, boasting a robust undercarriage and features meticulously designed for demanding operating conditions. Efficiency is further enhanced by the ESCO dragline buckets, a highly efficient attachment ideal for excavating large volumes of material. The Senbogen 6140E HD with ESCO dragline bucket is a pinnacle of power, versatility, durability, and efficiency, making it the top tackling and most demanding and challenging tasks. The Senbogen 830E series Vario tool is a formidable heavy machine. It boasts a Dutz DCD 6.1 L6 V4 engine, packing 241 horsepower, 180 kilowatts, to tackle the most demanding tasks. Its lifting capacity of 12 metric tons and a generous 9 meter, 29.5 feet reach make it a formidable material handler. Closed center load sensing hydraulic systems ensure smooth and precise control, even during complex operations. Besides, the Senbogen 830E series Vario tool combines robust technical specifications, innovative features, and advanced technologies to deliver outstanding performance and efficiency in scrap handling and demolition applications. With extraordinary power and torque, and a staggering 1,350 horsepower from its Cummins QSK 38C diesel engine, the Hitachi EX1800 excavator effortlessly handles even the most challenging tasks. From excavating large volumes of earth and rock to ripping through hard materials with ease. Outstanding, featuring a robust undercarriage and a suite of features tailored for harsh operating conditions. The Hitachi EX1800 is with precise control courtesy of its advanced hydraulic system, ensuring accuracy even when handling heavy loads. Fuel efficiency rounds out the list of benefits, contributing to heavy cost savings. With a Komatsu 6AA6D170E-5 engine, delivering a staggering 612 horsepower, 456 kilowatts, complemented by a robust heavy-duty design, featuring a reinforced frame, heavy-duty axles, and durable components, ensuring it can tackle the harshest conditions with ease. The PC 1250 LC-8 advanced hydraulic system provides precise control, even for intricate tasks, plus incorporates technologies like the Comtrax remote monitoring system, allowing remote tracking of the machine's location and maintenance status, enhancing fleet management and reducing downtime. Overall, the Komatsu PC 1250 LC-8 is a top-tier excavator, renowned for its power, efficiency, reliability, and technological prowess. It is an ideal choice for diverse industries, offering unparalleled performance and convenience. The Doosan DX170W-5 Mobile Excavator with steel wrist X18 tilt rotator. Bucket is a standout machine with an operating weight of 17 tons, 19,050 kilograms, and powered by a robust Doosan DL06 six-cylinder engine, delivering 166 horsepower, 124 kilowatts. The steel wrist X18 tilt rotator, offering 360 degrees of rotation and 180 degrees of tilt. This exceptional attachment provides unparalleled precision and control, enabling a wide range of tasks with ease. Equipped with advanced technology like Doosan High Mate for remote monitoring, High Pass for security, and High Remote for remote control, the DX170W-5 maximizes efficiency and safety. The Doosan DX170W-5 mobile excavator with steel wrist X18 tilt rotator Bucket is a powerful, reliable, and versatile machine, ideal for diverse applications. E-cranes offer a refreshing change in the world of cranes, with lifting capacities ranging from 1 to 20 tons, reaching up to 60 meters. These cranes operate with minimal noise, making them a preferred choice in urban settings and noise-sensitive areas. E-cranes stand out further with advanced safety systems, including load sensing, anti-collision features, and remote monitoring capabilities, prioritizing both safety and efficiency. In essence, e-cranes are powerful, eco-friendly, and technologically advanced machines that empower modern industries while minimizing environmental impact and operational costs, showcasing the future of crane technology. With an impressive operating weight of 168,540 pounds, 76,450 kilograms, and powered by a robust 6.8-litre John Deere PowerTech TM diesel engine, generating 168 horsepower, 125 kilowatts. The John Deere 800C excavator boasts the strength for the most demanding tasks. Furthermore, the John Deere 800C excavator's versatility shines through its ability to accommodate a range of attachments, from buckets to breakers, grapples, and mulchers, making it an invaluable asset for construction and demolition operations. The John Deere 800C excavator is a powerful, reliable, and versatile machine, uniquely equipped to excel in demanding applications, offering strength, performance, and cutting-edge features that are chosen across various industries. The 556RM 120 Go and the Telestack TC421 track stockpiling conveyor are two machines formidable in crushing stone. The 556RM 120 Go stands out for its exceptional mobility and versatility, capable of crushing various materials efficiently, even in tight or challenging job sites. With a potent 600 horsepower Cummins engine and a remarkable production rate of up to 600 tons per hour, it excels in delivering high-quality end products. On the other hand, the Telestack TC421 flexible conveyor systems for storing a wide range of materials, from crushed stone to sand and gravel, thanks to their sturdy construction and efficient operation. With an 80 horsepower Deutz engine and a maximum capacity of 1,000 tons per hour, bring efficiency in construction and demolition environments. This combination creates an efficient and productive crushing and storage system that simultaneously handles various materials with ease. Power is at the forefront, courtesy of a robust 65 horsepower Deutz engine, enabling it to tackle even the toughest trenching tasks, particularly in hard or rocky ground. The RTX 450 ride-on tractor with trencher is a standout trenching machine with a host of impressive advantages. Maximum trenching depth is 120 inches, and the machine's robust undercarriage is designed to withstand the harshest operating conditions, making it a perfect choice for trenching in rough terrain or uneven surfaces. In summary, the RTX 450 ride-on tractor with trencher is a powerful, adaptable, and user-friendly trenching machine, delivering high productivity on even the most demanding of trenching jobs. Iron Gears has just shown you some heavy machines, including the one that impresses you most. Comment below and we will guide you through a detailed exploration of that machine. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episodes on this topic.